Imagine having peace of mind, knowing your prescription needs are covered. Enrolling in a prescription drug plan or PDP through the Medicare website can provide that security. For many, navigating the Medicare website can feel daunting. Let's navigate together by reviewing some rules and important dates, then on to enrollment. Enrolling in a PDP safeguards you from high medication costs, while also satisfying your Part D enrollment requirement and avoiding a Part D late enrollment penalty. Be aware that you can only be enrolled in one Medicare drug plan at a time. If you have chosen to enroll in a Medicare Advantage plan with drug coverage, you cannot enroll in a standalone PDP simultaneously. You will want to evaluate your drug plan and make changes during the annual enrollment period October 15th through December 7th each year. There are also special enrollment periods throughout the year that allow for a change. If you have questions, you will want to reach out to your trusted Alira Group Medicare agent. Whether you're new to Medicare or seeking better coverage, this easy walkthrough will show you how to sign up, step by step. Start with a computer or tablet. Open your web browser and go to the Medicare website. Once you navigate to the homepage, look for the Find Health and Drug Plans button and click on it. You'll be asked to enter your zip code. This shows plans available in your area. On the next page, click on Drug Plans. You will then be asked if you get extra help. Your agent would have advised how to respond. Select the best suited responses. On the next screen, you will accurately list your medications, dosage, and quantity. This ensures your plan search is tailored just for you. Once your list is complete, you will be presented personalized options. Compare plans carefully. Compare premiums, deductibles, copays, and see how your drugs are covered on the plan formulary. Take your time. This is about making the best choice for your needs. Look at each drug cost. See if you have a deductible to meet. And pay close attention to the yearly cost for each plan. Once you have decided on the plan, you will then click Join Plan. You will be asked to enter in all of your basic demographic information to complete the enrollment. Here are some sample screens of the information that will be collected. Once completed, you will be given a confirmation number and contact information for the plan carrier that you selected. Please save this information. After completing your enrollment, you should receive communication from the insurance carrier within 10 to 14 days at the latest. You can also call Medicare directly for assistance at 1-800-MEDICARE. Carriers typically reach out sooner. However, processing times may be longer during the Medicare annual enrollment period and open enrollment period due to higher enrollment volumes. This completes your enrollment in a Medicare prescription drug plan for the upcoming plan year. Now, if you created an account on the Medicare website, you can return to your Medicare account each year to review your coverage, compare available plans, and select a new prescription drug plan if needed. We hope this video made the Medicare website and the process of selecting a Medicare prescription drug plan feel a little less overwhelming. Thank you for allowing us to assist you. We look forward to serving your insurance needs in the future.